Jesus, what in the world of Warcraft is this? Welcome back to a vision experiment with me, Ty, talking everything Apple Vision Pro, spatial computing, applications, accessories and more. And in this video, we're going to be having a look at a game on Apple Vision Pro's App Store called Ping Pong Club. So if you haven't guessed it, Ping Pong Club is basically a mixed reality version of ping pong in Apple Vision Pro. Now, not only is it a mixed reality experience, it's also a full immersive experience as well. And it's been really fleshed out since I last had my opportunity to play it. So it's got so many more features and I wanted to show you what it's all about. So let's jump into Ping Pong Club. So in this video, we do have a special guest and I'm looking forward to showing you our interactions during SharePlay. But let's just go over the app for 1 second. So as you can see here, we've got practice where you can practice your backhand, forehand and serve. You've got obviously medium, easy, medium, hard and mixed. And then we can go back to single player, and where we've got that, you can practice your rallying, have a single game or have a proper match. And that again gives you the levels of hardness. Then if we go down to the next thing, we can then pick our opponents that you'll be playing against. If you're not doing a SharePlay environment, it's more like your AI opponent. And we've got Adam, David, Bryce and Victor. Hopefully we'll get some lady table tennis players in the near future. I'll make sure to let the app developers know that that is definitely needed. And then we've got some really cool environments if you don't want to do it in mixed reality, as you can see here. So that's really cool. And then we've got tables as well. So we can click on tables. We can do classic, ping pong or dark. I'm going to apply the dark mode table. I like that. That's pretty awesome too. And then we've got obviously our, so there's the online leaderboard and we can go into immersive environment. This is the gym, I believe. This is the gym one. I'm almost certain it is, but let's come out of that for now. Let me quickly show you what it's like to play. And let's do like maybe a rally. Let's click on a rally. So here we've got a player here. We've got our ping pong bat and we're going to give it a go. Whoop. Oh, damn. I wouldn't really consider myself the best ping pong player in the world, so at least it's a little bit of fun to try and get my eye in, but you can use PSVR 2 controls with this game as well, which is really good. But you don't need to. You can actually just use hand tracking and that works pretty well. We're getting a good rally on here, which is quite good. We're definitely getting a bit of a sweat on. If you get good at ping pong, I'm definitely not that good at ping pong, but this is a good rally. Let's come out of that rally and let's have a little go. Let's have a single game. So we've got our leaderboard here, and then it's going to be a swap over. Let's go into an immersive environment. So I was really lucky enough to be able to have a game of Ping Pong Club in SharePlay using spatial personas with Jeremy from Getting Things Done on YouTube. And if you want to follow him, I'll leave his link down in the description below. But you'll get to see some gameplay between me and him as we were playing, and it was really exciting because he was using the PSVR 2 controllers. I was using just hand tracking, and it was really interesting to see us going back and forth and seeing which way it was gonna go. Now, early rounds, I managed to get some confetti and win a few games, but he managed to kick my ass right at the end. It was really good fun, and I really enjoyed having that ability to play with someone that's on the other side of the planet, over the other side of the pond, and me being here in the UK and him being in the US. That was really, really good fun. Ping pong table, let's apply that. This is our new table in blue. It's really cool. Environments, let's pick a different one. Let's go apply the sanctuary room. That'll be pretty cool. And let's change our opponent to Victor, who looks pretty damn scary. So let's give that a go. Let's go for a single match again. God, Jesus, what in the world of Warcraft is this? Ping Pong Club is an indie table tennis game for Apple Vision Pro developed by Vitaly Ampliagov and Bryce Ellis, offering immersive, realistic ping pong gameplay with 3D visuals, responsive hand tracking, and PSVR 2 controller support, letting you rally against AI or real friends in spatial environments, making it a fun experience worth checking out on Vision OS. Tried to be clever. It's actually kind of quite hard to do like the forehand shots because I feel like you can't see it because of the light seal. It's much easier to do backhand shots all the time because you can see your hand all the time. So that's the only negative I've got about this game, is the idea of being able to do forehand with the light seal on is quite hard. It kind of goes behind you. Even though it's tracked, like you feel like you're going to miss the ball because you can't see it. So that is the only negative, but it is a really fun game. I really do enjoy it. It gets me moving a bit as well. And I don't have room for a full-size ping pong table at home. That is Ping Pong Club in a nutshell. It's to play ping pong absolutely anywhere. I think it's a fantastic application, and I hope you do. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to A Vision Experiment so you see more videos just like this. And if you want to join the AVE Spatial community on Patreon, you can go over to the link in the description down below, where you'll be able to click on there and see more behind the scenes and extras from A Vision Experiment. So with that being said, I'll see you for another video really soon.